Hey, what's up, everybody? We have a new kit that just got added to the stash. This is a 1963 customizing kit Ford Galaxie Convertible, a 3-in-1. So let's take a look at the cover. You can build it stock, custom, or competition. An authentic AMT 125th scale model. Build it as a beautiful custom. Engine included. Let's take a look at the side box artwork. Very beautiful right there. Let's get a zoom in right here. So this is an original vintage kit right here. I'm very excited to open this one up. Just love the box artwork here. Many great new parts and accessories in AMT 63 customizing kits. Meet AMT's new customizing team. George Barris, Alexander Bros, Jin Winfield, Bill Cushenberry. Greatest customizing team ever to bring you the newest in custom ideas. And just look at this layout with all these beautiful parts. Wow, look at that. California custom. I always like this picture right here. Use AMT lacquer for that finishing touch. Official model makers to the industry. Awesome. All right, so let's get into it. Let's unbox this here. Let's see what's inside. All right, we have the instructions. Just from seeing this right now, love the box artwork. This right here gets my attention right off the bat. Just that glass right there opening up that way right there. It's so cool. Something you very rarely see at shows. Let's see here. Let's open this up. I'm guessing, oh, here we are. Here are the water slide decals. Oh, man. None of them have been cut out. They're all still there. I have to preserve this here. Really nice. You got the flames, the yellow, transitioning into that green to almost like a turquoise color. Really nice. We'll set this right over here. Let's go back to the instructions. So let's open this up. Here we have photographs of the gentleman right here that they mentioned. George Barris, Alexander Bros, Bill Cushenberry, and Jin Winfield. Shout outs to them, man. It's amazing the things they did with AMT to bring these to life. All right, let's see. I'm going to open it up like this. Let's see. Have it upside down, of course. All right, here we go. We got the basic assemblies with the end, starting off with the engine, followed into the interior. Oh, that's pretty cool. Portable TV, fire extinguisher, phone, bongo drums, and the mouse. We're going to find out if that stuff's even in here. I'm not sure. I mean, this is a used kit. Here we have wheels, body, and also the final stock assembly. Man, there's even like little glue marks right there. And here we have the layout for competition assembly. And also, if you want to go the custom route, which I might go the custom route. Oh, look at this layout right here with the glass. Let's get this close up. Nice close up right there. Oh, that's so dope. So cool. All right. So let's go ahead and fold this back up. All right, here we go. Man, everything just went nicely there. All right. Now we have, another thing here. Let's see here. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Authentic model Turnpike. Let's see. Wow, look at these pictures. Everything looks really nice. Very clean. Yeah, the kid right there playing with the Turnpike right there. Did any of you guys own this back in the day? Let me know. I mean, just seeing this, it looks like they're having fun. I'm like, man, do I need to hunt one of these down? Or does anybody in the area have one that I could try out? Because this thing does look like a lot of fun. And they appear to be, it looks like 124 scale as well. All right, let's see. Let's put this away. All right, sweet. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. I see the glass right there. we're going to obviously take all this out in a little bit. So I'm going to set this aside. Here we have the tires. Man, let's see. So I know this sometimes this stuff takes time to take out, but let's bust them all out right here. You got the tires right there. All right, cool. So there's this front grille, as well as some other custom parts that are loose. And let's take a look at the body. Let's bring this out. Oh, check out that engine. Nah. All right, let's remove this and this. Okay, so this model here obviously was put together. You see all the glue marks and everything, and was taken apart. You know, it looks like it never got painted. You know, it's something that just got assembled, because it still looks fairly clean. You know, there's obviously no primer in this interior. Let's take a look at the bottom, the belly. You know, this right here is nothing to worry, but oh, look at this. This is an interesting detail. Little insert added in there. You could tell with the glue. Yeah, I don't want to end up breaking that, but we'll put that over here. Let's look at the body. So the body has all these glue marks right here. And let's see, some down here as well. Nothing alarming. I mean, a lot of this can be fixed. You can sand all this down, smoothen things out, and get it prepped for a nice primer job there before, you know, you're laying down some paint. Even like right here, these parts, right? You can still see how this is still in there, broke off, and this one does not have it in there, right? There's a gap. You can fill that in and just smoothen it out. You know, obviously go the custom route. So not bad, not bad. All right. And then interior tub, set that there. Oh, look at this. There's a lot to unpack right now. So give me a moment and I'm going to bust all this out right now. All right. Okay, so we have everything laid out now. Everything from the wheels down to the chrome centers, the front grille, you know, different options right here. Some other customizing parts. The glass, I'm very excited about the glass setup right here, especially here. Let me pull up this right here. You can barely see that latch. So pretty much it opens up, really nice right there. And I believe this is like another area that attaches to that, like in the middle right there. That's pretty cool. And let's see. And then also another thing I was excited about was we do have the Mascot. Here he is right there. Those pieces did come with the kit. So they're there. There's the little bongos, the TV, another steering wheel. It looks like there's like a, or maybe it's not a steering wheel. Wait, let me see. I don't know if this, maybe, oh no, I think that's part of a jack then. A jack stand, sorry. We do have 2 steering wheels, dashboard, 2 sets of seats there for the interior, and also 2 hoods. Depending, you know, for the engine, if I want that thing to stick out or just keep the stock engine. Then we got the skirts. We also have some of the other options here, you know, that's going to go for the bottom, depending what grill that I want to go with. And, you know, everything's pretty much laid out. It did take a while to bring everything out. There might be like maybe a few parts that are missing from the set that I could see right off the bat. Especially this here, we only got 1. I know we'd need like 2 of them. Right there, the antennas. And let's see what else. Is it here? No. I pretty much unloaded everything, it looks like. And then we also got like the roll cage. Most likely, you know, it's going to stay in the box. I don't think I'll be using that right there. But very happy. I mean, with this, you know, this model. I'm looking forward to cleaning all this up later. You know, I really like doing those kind of things with projects, bringing them back to life. You know, even if it's like bringing them up to primer stages, it's always fun to see a car primered up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. You know, little by little, there's going to be more videos popping up with other kits that we're going to be acquiring as we go down this path of just hunting down vintage kits that I've never owned and excited to build. So hope you guys enjoy this and take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.